are going to see what is revolved cut, how to use this command. So this is our last created model. Now we will use how to select revolve command. So select any one plane, like okay, select right plane, see, right plane, sketch, select normal, and go to sketch and select a geometry. Start from midpoint to up to here. Now exit from the line. See, this geometry we created. The main function of revolved cut is just remove the material from inside the body. It is works same as like revolve or boss base, but it removes the material, and revolve adds the material. Now see, this is the structure. So just select revolve cut. Now it will ask axis of revolution. So axis of rotation we have to select. So we will select this axis. See, it is going to cut. It is going to show the way. Just select OK. Now see, the holes are cut here. Now we will see in section view. Front plane, select OK. See, this is the hole we cut inside the body with the help of revolve cut. It is very easy and very nice tool in SolidWorks. Uncheck and select hidden line drawing. See, we can see with the help of hidden line also the hole cut inside the body. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share and like these videos.